Hello, welcome back to another video. Today we are making one pot rice, and this is actually called dirty rice, and I'm going to be telling you in this video why this rice is called dirty rice. Okay, in as much as it is called dirty rice, the rice is so yummy, so delicious. You're going to love it. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave your comment for me in the comment section, and share the video. Okay, and to all my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, thank you so much guys for always coming back to support this channel. So guys, without wasting much time, let's just get down to the video. So here are my ingredients for this recipe. One thing I love about this rice is that you don't need so much to make this rice. Okay, so here is my minced beef. So here I have my beef, my scotch bonnet pepper, ginger, garlic and onions. You can choose to mix only your beef, okay, but I just added all these things. You can choose not to add it. All right, and here are my vegetables. Here I have some carrots, I have my spring onions, and then my green bell pepper. And also I have my onions here for garnishing too, and my pepper, also extra pepper, just to make the rice spicy. Okay, so now we are going to start to heat up some oil in a pot. So I'm going to just heat up this oil. The oil is hot. I'm going to be adding in my minced beef. I'm going to be cooking this minced beef for a few minutes before adding in my spices. So guys, this is why this rice is called dirty rice, because of the minced beef. Okay, so because of the minced beef, that's where we have the dirty rice. This is what makes the rice dirty, but to me, I don't see it as dirty, but well, that's what is called dirty rice. So I'm just going to be cooking this for some time. I'm not going to cook the meat until it is completely cooked. No, I'll just cook it for a few minutes. Okay, so now I'll be adding in my spices. You can go in with any spices of your choice. Okay, I will add in my curry powder. I use just curry powder and thyme. And then I'll be adding in my seasoning cube. I'm using just 2 cubes here. I'm going to mix everything to combine all of this together. Okay, and I'll allow this to fry for some more, or rather cook for some more, until the water in the beef has have completely evaporated. Okay, so now we don't have any more liquid remaining in the meat anymore, just the oil. So I'm going to be adding in my washed rice. Guys, if you have watched me up to now and you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to this channel, okay? If you have watched up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. If you have not liked the video now, please help me to use this opportunity to like the video, leave your comments, and also help me to share this video. So I'll also add in some pepper, but you can just leave it if you don't want to add in pepper, because I use pepper too to mix my beef. So if you don't want to add extra pepper, it's okay, you can just leave it. But me, I like spicy food, so that's why you see I'm adding extra pepper to this. So I'm going to be stir frying the rice together with the minced beef. Okay, I will do this for 5 minutes. So guys, it's 5 minutes later. I'll be adding in salt now. And then I will go in with my water. I'll add in some water now, just enough to cook this rice, okay? I'm going to mix this very well so that everything can combine together. I will now cover this pot and allow this rice to cook. Guys, if you are looking for that easy but delicious meal, this is it, okay? This is a one pot dish. A one pot meal is it's not stressful at all, and it's so delicious. You are going to enjoy it. You can eat this rice like this, or you can choose to add in your sauce to it, but I ate it like this and it came out so well. So now that our rice is cooked, I will add in my vegetables. That's my carrots, my spring onions, and my green bell pepper. And then I'm going to mix everything. I will cover the pot, allow the rice to cook for just 1 minute, okay? I also added in my onions just to garnish. This is just all these are just for garnishing, okay? You can still leave it, it's optional. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Guys, have you subscribed to this channel? Have you liked this video? Have you If you have not liked this video, please help me to click on the like button, okay? And help me to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to leave your comments from in the comment section for me, okay? And also let me know where you're watching me from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. So now I'm just going to cover this and I will allow this to cook for just a minute, guys. Just a minute, because I don't want to overcook our vegetable. And guys, here is what we have. Our rice is ready. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this recipe. Don't forget to do all of that good stuff to this channel, okay? Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video, okay? Guys, I want you to try this recipe. This is so good, so good, and no stress at all. Like, no stress. This is an easy meal. If you're looking for an easy meal to prepare, this is it, okay? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.